Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived two inseparable friends, Bainey and Brave. Bainey, a curious and clever rabbit, was known for his quick wit and inventive ideas. Brave, a loyal and fearless dog, was admired for his strength and bravery. Together, they made an unbeatable team, always ready to help their fellow villagers. One bright morning, news of a terrible danger spread through the village. A dark and menacing shadow had fallen over the neighboring forest, home to many of the village's resources. The villagers whispered about a monstrous beast that had taken residence there, scaring away the animals and causing the trees to wither. The village elder called a meeting and implored the villagers for help, but fear gripped their hearts, and no one dared to volunteer. Bainey and Brave, seeing the distress of their friends and families, stepped forward. "We will face this beast and bring peace back to our land," declared Brave, with Bainey nodding confidently beside him. Equipped with a map, some provisions, and their unwavering determination, Bainey and Brave set off towards the forest. As they ventured deeper into the woods, they encountered various challenges, from navigating through thick, thorny bushes to crossing a fast-flowing river. Bainey's cleverness and Brave's courage proved invaluable, allowing them to overcome each obstacle. One evening, as they rested by a campfire, they heard a rustling in the bushes. Out came a wise old owl named Hoot, who had lived in the forest for centuries. Hoot warned them about the beast, known as Gorgorath, a creature born from the villagers' fears and nourished by their lack of unity. To defeat Gorgorath, Hoot advised, "You must understand its true nature and confront your own fears." Encouraged by Hoot's wisdom, Bainey and Brave pressed on. Finally, they reached the heart of the forest, where Gorgorath resided. The beast, towering and terrifying, roared with a ferocity The beast, sensing the lack of fear, began to shrink. The more Bainey and Brave showed their bravery and unity, the smaller Gorgorath became, until it was nothing more than a harmless shadow, which then dissipated into the air. With Gorgorath defeated, the forest began to heal. Trees blossomed, animals returned, and the air was filled with the sweet songs of birds. Bainey and Brave returned to the village as heroes, greeted with cheers and gratitude. The villagers, inspired by their courage and unity, vowed to face future challenges together, without fear. The adventures of Bainey and Brave teach us that courage and friendship are powerful tools against any challenge. Fear can only grow in the absence of unity and bravery. When we face our fears together, with trust in our hearts and friends by our side, we can overcome even the greatest of adversities. The true strength lies not in our individual abilities but in the power of unity and the courage to confront our fears head-on.